Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you my favorite method for learning and practicing all the major chords at the piano. If we take any note on the piano, let's take a C for example, we build a major chord by counting up first 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 3 more, 1, 2, 3. And there we have our C major chord. But I like to practice these not by going one chord after the next, that's a little too easy, but rather by going around this circle of fifths. So let's bring up our circle of fifths here. And what we're going to do is go around this circle of fifths counterclockwise, starting with C and then proceeding to F. So we go from C, now we go to our F and we play our F major chord, again by building up 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3. Let's keep going. Now we go to our B flat chord, that looks like this. Then we go to our E flat chord, to our A flat chord, to our D flat chord, to our F sharp chord, to our B chord, to our E chord, to our A chord, to our D chord, to our G chord, and back to our C chord. So that takes us all the way around the circle of fifths and gives us some practice with every single chord. How I like to practice these is to really give yourself a little time pressure. So take a metronome, for example, and set the beats 1, 2, 3, 4, and see if you can, in 4 beats, find every next chord. So you're thinking all the time, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And once that's going really well, then you can reduce it down to 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And the eventual goal is to not even have to think about counting the number of notes, counting out 4 plus 3, but really memorizing where these chords are and how they look. So eventually you should be able to go C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and so forth, all the way around the circle of fifths. That's my favorite method for learning and practicing the major chords at the piano. If you're looking for a comprehensive piano course that will take you all the way from the basics of playing the piano through advanced techniques and pieces, check out petersonpianoacademy.com. See you soon.